In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Reddit. First, make sure you're signed in to your Reddit account. From there, go to your home page. This is the main feed you see after logging in. Starting from home keeps everything simple and ensures the right menus are available. Next, look for your profile icon. On desktop, it's in the top right corner. On the Reddit mobile app, it may appear in the top right or top left depending on your device and version. Tap or click that profile icon to reveal a menu of account options. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Reddit groups all of your account controls and preferences. If you're using the app, there's usually a gear icon for settings after tapping your profile. On desktop, it appears directly in the drop-down. Inside Settings, navigate to the Account tab. Reddit separates different categories like Account, Privacy, and Notifications, so make sure you're on the Account section to find password options. If you don't immediately see Account, scroll a bit or check the top navigation bar within Settings. Now, scroll to the Password section. This is typically labeled clearly, and you should see fields to enter your current password as well as your new one. Take your time here. If you have a Show Password toggle, consider enabling it while you type to avoid mistakes, especially on mobile keyboards. Enter your current password, then type your new password. For best security, choose a unique password you haven't used elsewhere, ideally at least 12 characters long, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy guesses like names, simple phrases, or repeated patterns. A password manager can help generate and store something strong. If Reddit shows requirements under the field, make sure your new password meets them. If the Save button looks grayed out, it usually means a requirement isn't met or the confirmation field doesn't match. When everything looks good, click or tap Save to update your password. Reddit may ask you to confirm the change or re-enter credentials for security. After saving, you might be signed out on other devices. That's expected and helps protect your account. If you use a browser's saved passwords or a password manager, update the saved login so you don't get locked out later. If you can't remember your current password at the required step, use the Forgot Password option from the login screen to reset it securely before returning to Settings. And that's it. You've changed your Reddit password quickly and safely, and your account is now better protected.